Hello everyone, it's the 13th day of Christmas and we have apricot mango spread. Right away I'm inspired by the classic brunch cocktail, the Bellini. This is a super simple cocktail to make, and since it's for two, I'm going to use the entire bottle of jam, which adds up to about 2 tablespoons. Into the cocktail shaker with ice. I'm using Hendrick's Lunar gin today because it is very, very delicate and won't overwhelm the cocktail. About 1.5 ounces will do. I'm just going to shake for about 15 seconds or so to make sure I break up that jam well enough. We do hope you like what we're doing here at Gin Box, and if you could like this video and subscribe, that sure would encourage us. And finally, the last thing to do is fill the glass about 1/3 of the way up. Love that color. And top with Prosecco or any sparkling wine you might have on hand. That will do the job. No garnish necessary. Even though this is a classic cocktail, it's extremely simple. Just listen to those bubbles. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed our take on the Mimosa or Bellini. Thanks for watching.